So next concept we learn place values. When a number is given, every digit of the number has its own place value. Let us see what is place value. So for example, if I write how do we read this? 23,781. Here in this the digits are 2, 3, 7, 8, 1. Every digit has its own place value. To work out many questions, we use the place value. So knowing the place value of a digit of a number is very, very important. So what is the place value of this? Always the place value, we start from right side. The place value of this, the extreme right end, is unit digit or units place. We can call this unit digit. And this second value is, it is tens, and this is hundreds, and this thousands, and this is 10,000s, and so on. These are the place values of integer. In case the number is going to be decimal form, then how the place values are given? $53.793. Even in this number, every digit has its own place value. Then what are the place values of each and every digit? For the decimal, the left side number is whole number. Here we give the place values as we have seen just now. So this is going to be unit digit, means units place, and this is tens place. And what about the digits after the decimal? Here after the decimal, the first digit whatever it may be, this is its place value is tens, TENTHS, tens, and the next digit place value is hundreds, and this is thousands. These are the place values of a number. Now very, very important question we are going to discuss now. We are expecting almost 90% of this question in any competitive examination, that is finding the unit digit. How to find a unit digit? We'll take few examples. What is the unit digit of? UD in the sense unit digit. What is the unit digit of 523 plus 749? What is the unit digit of 523 plus 749? In fact, here if we perform the addition between these two numbers, 523 plus 749 in usual method, by adding this 9 plus 3 12, 1 plus 4 5 plus 2 7, and 7 plus 5 12. The sum of 523 plus 749 is 1272. We are talking about only the unit digit. What is the unit digit? For whole number, the extreme right digit is unit digit. Here the unit digit is going to be 2. So for this your answer is going to be 2. But is it necessary in the real time exam, wasting our time by adding complete, by performing the addition totally? No, we don't require. Don't do this in the real time examination. It must not be done. This will not work out. It takes longer time. So the simple technique is, your answer is going to be, just focus only on the unit digits of the given numbers. The unit digit is 9 here and the unit digit is 3. Just add this 9 plus 3, which is 9 plus 3 is 12. From this the unit digit is 2. So unit digit is equal to only this 2. Need not to perform complete addition. Take another example. Unit digit of 237 plus 518. Your answer is going to be in a second. Need not to perform complete addition. Just to take the only unit digits of two numbers. Perform this 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. Here 8 plus 7 is 15. From this you are taking only the unit digit. So your answer is going to be 5. This is how we work out for unit digit in case of addition. Then let us see in the subtraction. What is the unit digit of 523 minus 749? Here, if there is a subtraction between two numbers, always we subtract the small number from big number, but never the big number from small number. First, make sure which is a small number and which is a big number. So in this case, this is the small number, 523 is the smaller, and this 749 is the big number. The subtraction is performed like big number minus small number whenever the subtraction is required. We are not talking about the final results sign, just we are finding the unit digit. To find out the unit digit, the final results after subtraction, the final resulting number sign is not important. Only we need to focus on the unit digit. So subtraction is performed always big number minus small number, whatever the final sign. Here the subtraction is performed big minus small always. Here big number is 749, small number is 523. So the subtraction is done big minus small, means this minus this we have to do. Focus only on the unit digit. Here in the big number the unit digit is 9 and in the small number unit digit is 3. So 9 minus 3 we perform, which is equal to 6. So 6 is your answer, unit digit. And in this case, what is the unit digit of 56 minus 49? The same working rule we follow, big number minus small number. Here 56 is the big number and 49 is the small number. So big minus small means this minus this. Here we have to subtract 49 from 56. So we are taking the unit digit 6 minus 9, which is not possible. So we take one carry, that is 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. So 7 is going to be unit digit. Always we perform big minus small, means 56 minus 49. So here it is going to be 16 minus 9 is 7. This is 0. Unit digit is 7. This is in case of a subtraction between the numbers. Now, what is the unit digit of? What is the unit digit of 527 into 234 into 62,978? So to perform this complete multiplication, it takes almost 10 minutes. But we don't require the complete product of the given numbers. We need only the unit digit. That's why focus only on the unit digits, but don't perform complete multiplication. Here in this unit digit is 7 and here unit digit is 4. Just multiply these two, 7 into 4, which is 7 4s are 28. And ignore this number, take only the unit digit 8, and here take the unit digit of next number 8. Just multiply these two numbers, this and this. So 8 8s are 64. In this the unit digit is 4. So for this question your answer is going to be just 4. So for this your answer is 4. It takes hardly 2 to 3 seconds if you practice. Let us take another example. What is the unit digit of this product? As we are focusing only on the unit digit but not a complete multiplication process, in this the unit digit is 9, here unit digit 4, here unit digit is 2. Just focus on the unit digit. First we perform these two. 9 4s are 9 into 4, 9 4s are 36. In 36 we take only the unit digit and here the next unit digit is 2. So 6 into 2, 6 2s are 12. In 12 2 is the unit digit, so its answer is going to be only 2. Whatever the number of numbers participated in the multiplication process, ignore the complete multiplication process, just take only the unit digits. What is the unit digit of 27 into 36 into 42 into 596? The same process. Here take only the unit digits. Here first 7 6 are 42. In 42 we take only the unit digit 2, and again multiply these two. 2 into 2 4, it is a unit digit, and multiply this 6, 4 6 are 24, so 4 is going to be your answer. We find a unit digit like this. And in many competitive examinations the questions are asked under unit digit problems like this. What is the unit digit of 5234 to the power of 7896? This type of questions are very important according to the competitive examination, that is in power format. Whenever a question is given in power format a power b, how can we find the unit digit? This is very important. To work out these questions, we need to remember few basics. Basics to find unit digit of a number which is in the form of sum a power b. When a number is given in the power format a power b, how to find the unit digit? When we write a power b, this a is called base and this is called power or exponent, base and power. So the rules related to the base and power, we will see what are the rules involved or the basics in finding the unit digit of a number which is in the form of a power b. The rule 1. When a number is given in the form of a power b, to find out the unit digit, first we need to focus only on the unit digit of the base. Unit digit of the base. If unit digit of the base is 0 or 1 or 5 or 6, just ignore the power, the unit digit itself the unit digit of the given number. So rule number 1 is, if the unit digit of base is 0 or 1 or 5 or 6, then the unit digit of given number is same. Means if the unit digit is 0, irrespective of its power, for complete number the unit digit is going to be 0. If the unit digit is 1, irrespective of the power, the unit digit is 1, like this. Take few examples. 5 to 6 power 798,777. What is the unit digit? Here unit digit is going to be, it is in the power format a power b form. Just check the unit digit of the base. The unit digit of the base is 6. We know the rule. If the unit digit of the base is either 0 or 1 or 5 or 6, it is going to be the same. So 6 is the unit digit. It is one of the 0, 1, 5 and 6. So your unit digit is 6 is your answer. And next, take another example. 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. Its power 794,312. What is going to be unit digit here? We know the rule. If the unit digit is 0 or 1 or 5 or 6, your unit digit is going to be the same number whatever it is presented at the unit digit. Here the unit digit is 5, therefore your answer is going to be 5, irrespective of the power. We need not to worry about the power, whatever the number, how many are the number of digits in the power. Just ignore if the unit digit of the base is 0 or 1 or 5, 6, the number itself is going to be unit digit for the whole number. This is the basic one. And basic 2. If the unit digit of the base is other than 0, 1, 5 and 6. See, this is the case. If we observe here, to find out the unit digit of this number, the unit digit is, it is not 0, it is not 1, it is not 5, it is not 6. In this case, how to find the unit digit of this complete number? In this case, what we need to do is divide the power by 4 and find the remainder. Whenever the unit digit is none of this 0, 1, 5, 6, just divide the power means this power of the given number by 4, then find the remainder. Then what are the possibilities of getting a remainder when any number is divided by 4? So the remainder will be will be 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. When any number is divided by 4, there are only 4 possibilities of getting remainders. The remainder may be 0, or the remainder may be 1, or the remainder may be 2, or the remainder may be 3. And there are 2 different rules we have. In case the remainder is 0 is one rule. If the remainder is 1 or 2 or 3, there is another rule we apply. If the remainder is 0, if remainder is 0, just write power 4 to the unit digit of the base. write power 4 to the unit digit of the base, then we can find out the unit digit. Then we get unit digit of given number. And note 2. If remainder is for 0, we are writing power 4 to the unit digit of the given base. In case of the remainder is 1 or 2 or 3, write the same remainder, as power of base, power of unit digit of the base. These are the rules we need to remember to find out a unit digit of given number which is in a power b format. The rule number 1, first check the unit digit of the base. In case the unit digit of the base is 0 or 1 or 5 or 6, it is very simple problem, write down the unit digit as it is. In case the unit digit is none of these 0, 1, 5, 6, then what all we need to do is take the power and divide it by 4, then get the remainder. To be the remainders, there are only 4 choice we have, that is 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. In case of the remainder is 0, then take the unit digit of the base, write down the power 4. In case of the remainder are 1 or 2 or 3, take the unit digit of the base and write down the same number as power, then we'll get the unit digit. Let us take few questions based on this, then you can understand it better. Then find out the unit digit of 5234 to the power of 7896. Just check what is the unit digit of the base. It is 4. It is not 0, it is not 1, it is not 5, it is not 6. Then what all we need to do is take this power and divide it by 4. When you divide this by 4, what will be the remainder? It is very simple technique, you know how to know. Here one thing we can cross check whether 0 or not, when a number is divided by 0 or not. Just take only the last 2 digits 96. If the last 2 digits is exactly divisible by 4, then the remainder will be 0. Otherwise you have to work out complete number. Since here 96 is divisible by 4 exactly, therefore the remainder is going to be 0. So here, since this unit digit of the base is not 0, not 1, not 5, not 6, when this is divided by 4, the remainder is 0. So when 7896 is divided by 4, the remainder is 0. Then what is the rule we have when the remainder is 0? Take the unit digit of the base and write down the power as 4. So I am taking the unit digit of the base and writing the power 4. Then what is the 4 power 4 gives? Need not to multiply everything, just visualize 4 power 4 in the sense 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. If you take here, visualize this, it is not written on the paper. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Visualize this. Don't use your pen and paper to work out this. Visualize 4 power 4 is nothing but 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. First 4 into 4 is giving 16, and definitely this is 16. And here the unit digit is 6, here unit digit is 6. Multiply these two numbers. 6 into 6, which is equal to 36. Here unit digit is 6. For this your answer is going to be 6. Let us take one more example. What is unit digit of 34789 power 72,431? We need to find the unit digit of this number, which is in the form of a power b. Here, just to check the unit digit of the base in the given number, unit digit is 9. When it is not 0 and it is not 1, it is not 5, it is not 6, then what all we need to do is this power should be divided by 4. So when 72431 is divided by 4, the remainder is going to be need not to waste your time by performing complete division in conventional method. That do in your mind division by 4. Just take ordinary division you are doing. We don't require the quotient. We need to find only the remainder. So from starting to ending, just you go on dividing the numbers. Need not to keep the quotient in your mind. So here we are dividing by 4. 4 ones are 4. 3 will be remaining 32. 4 8s are 32. Again 4 ones are 4 and 3 will not go. Then in 31 we are taking. In 31 4 how many times will go? 4 7s 28. 4 7s 28. 31 minus 28 is 3. So remainder is 3. So this you need to practice to find remainder very quickly. Remainder is 3. Then what all we need to do when the remainder is 3? Take the base of the unit digit of the base and write down whatever the remainder as power. So it is going to be 9 power 3. What is 9 power 3? Visualize, it is 9 into 9 into 9. This 9 into 9 is 81 into again this 9. Just multiply the unit digit. 1 into 9 is 9. So your answer is going to be 9. Right? In case here if it is not 31, the last digit is 0. Let us see what happens. If this is 0, then what will be the remainder? 1 less, means remainder is going to be 2. When 72430 is divided by 4, the remainder is 2. Then taking the unit digit of the base and the remainder writing as power. 9 square is nothing but 9 into 9. It is 81. The unit digit is 4. Therefore, for this question, your unit digit is going to be 1. So this is how we find. Take another example. Two 6 7 8 9 6 to the power of 794294. What is the unit digit of this? This is very simple question. It takes only 1 second to answer to this question. As we know, the unit digit of the base is, if it is 0 or 1 or 5 or 6, the number itself is going to be unit digit. Therefore, your unit digit is going to be 6. What is the unit digit of 3247 to the power of 2396 into what is the unit digit of this? By looking at the question, what we feel is it takes almost 5 minutes. But if we have the logical approach, logical thinking, you can answer to this question in 2 seconds, I am sure. This is going to be only 2-second problem. We need not to spend our time. Don't approach mathematically, think logically. Here, what is the logical approach? Let us see. As we know, to find out the unit digit of any power format, if the unit digit of the base is 0 or 1 or 5 or 6, then the same unit digit of the base is going to be unit digit for the given number. What are the such cases in this question? Here we found only one number in which the unit digit is 5. So take the unit digit 5 here, and then without calculating we cannot know here, but here we know. In this case the unit digit of the base is 6, so here also we get it is 6. We don't know what is this number, and here we don't know what is the unit digit over here. Need not to calculate those unit digits. Why? Because when 5 into 6 is multiplied, 30 you are getting. The unit digit is 0. If unit digit is 0, whatever these numbers, when any number is multiplied by 0, finally we are going to get the 0. Therefore, for this question, your answer is going to be 0. Only you need to think in this format, like this, whenever the question is asked like this, big numbers, so many numbers in the product format, find out whether 5 is there or not. If 5 is the unit digit of the base, you are taking 5 as unit digit. And in other cases, even sometimes there is no 6. If it is other number in the sense, in case any even number, in any power format, if the unit digit of the base is even number, finally we are going to get the unit digit of the given number is even number only. So irrespective of the actual value, see, I will take another example. Just I am going to change the number over here. This is 4. Now what is going to be the unit digit of for this complete question? This is very clear. We know 5 is the unit digit, since the unit digit of the base of this power format is 5. And this unit digit I don't know, and here the unit digit I don't know, here the unit digit I don't know. But what happens here is, whenever the unit digit of the base is even number, this we know it is even number. When even number power, whatever you write, always it gives the even number only. Why? Because even number into even number, always it is even number. So in this case, whatever the unit digit we don't know exact number, but it is going to be an even number. When 5 into any even number, the unit digit is going to be 0. For this, the unit digit is 0. Then 0 into any other numbers, don't worry, that is going to be 0. So your answer is 0. So like this, by using the logic, we can find out the unit digit of. This type of question is very important in any competitive examinations. This is all about the how to find the unit digit.